Welcome guys, in this video I am with HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'm going to show you how you can download and install Google on this smartphone. So I mean about all Google services and how to make it quickly. Take a look. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data, that's essential. And next we have to open this application, the Petal Search or the App Gallery, no matter. And you have to tap on the search pool and get the Gspace. Just tap Gspace and you have to get this application that's verified on this shop. Click to install and now just be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, as you can see everything is fine and we can open it. Click start, accept all the permissions, click continue, enable the permissions. So click on the switcher, go back, and there it is. Right now we got access for all Google services. So what we have to do, at the first we have to tap on the Google Play Store, that's very obvious. Tap to sign in and basically just log into your Google account. As you can see right now we get access to the Play Store and we'll be able to get any application that we want, and it works in the same way like on the other Android smartphone. Okay, right now just simply input your mail, click next and then just input your password. I'm gonna make it out of the camera. And when you make it, as you can see, it's like the base normal Play Store. So just go forward. You can enable backup to the Google Drive, and after a few seconds we will be able to download applications. And there it is. As you can see, we are here. That's our account. That's all the Google Play Store settings. You can download, for example, the YouTube or whatever you want. Click install. Just open it. And as you can see, everything is fine. So right now, when you want to get back for this Gspace application, you have to open the all apps, the app drawer, and open it. And as you can see, you can use YouTube from this place. You can also enter for the Play Store for another time. When you click and hold on this icon, you can create a shortcut. You can add this icon to the home screen and take a look. Right now it appears on our screen. You can open it like normal YouTube on normal smartphone with the Google access. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.